For starters, as a former CPC, Chief Political Commissar, because that's where it starts from, our ideology. We, based on our history, like the Constitution says in the preamble, knowing our history, the army was always used to settle political questions, and yet only coming from the barracks. And as a result, therefore, because they were politically ignorant, they were always used to settle political problems they didn't understand. So our founding fathers of FRONASA, now NRA, then UPDF, found it necessary to make the soldier understand the politics of the country, the history, the politics, so that no one will come and mislead them. That's number one. Number two, therefore, when it came to the constitution making process, the constitution provided for special interest groups, workers, women, youth, disabled, people with disabilities, and then the UPDF, NRA then. And this is where I will need to correct the misrepresentation of thinking the wrong perception that every security agency must be represented. It's because it is the military that was always used in political questions. And so that's how in the CA, Constituent Assembly, the military was decided to represent, to be represented in the parliament. Right from '86, and in fact, people need to know, we are not the first. After the 1979 Liberation War, the UNRA had 10 MPs in the parliament for the same reason, although it didn't stop the army from overthrowing Dr. Bote. But for us, because policies and regulations and laws are made in parliament, we must be there in the cookhouse, because the policies that give direction to the country, both politically, economically, and otherwise. Now, because we are part and parcel of legislation and policy making, we cannot accuse others for wrong things if they go wrong, because we have been a part and parcel. And so what happens is that if somebody, for example, brings a motion that we think is injurious to national interests, we bring it to the attention of the Speaker and the whole House. For instance, when our businessmen were killed in South Sudan, one MP proposed that we should attack South Sudan. And our JSPC, Honorable General Masuku, and asked, really, is that in the interest of the country? Similarly, when we had issues with our brothers in the southwest, the Republic of Rwanda, an MP asked me, why doesn't our UPDF attack Rwanda? And I asked him, in whose interest will that war be? So we help to bring the House to the focus, to the campus of our national interests. Because in there are political parties, and the people pursue political party interests. So there must be a guardian for national interests, and that is our role.